Hey yo, Domin here from Phasio, and it's time for a new video, What's New at Phasio in July. Without further ado, let's get in. As you can see, we are now here in the analytics dashboard, where you can select the date range, select the currency, and then you can have a look at overview over your, let's say, manufacturing, sales, and whatnot. You have the tab with finance, where you can check the revenues, conversions. Then you have tab to check your customers, whether you have some new customers, which are the top customers, the lifetime value, the retention. Then also you can monitor what is the revenue by the country. You can check the activity over the customer base and the cart conversion. You can also check what was the most frequently used material, let's say, also the technologies, revenue by material, scrap, post-processing. You also have the overview over the production if you're subscribed to factory floor. If not, what are you waiting for? You can check your operations, you can check the scrap rate, you can check how many orders are still, let's say, progressing through different operations and your cycle times. What you can also do with this dashboard, you can check your conversion funnel, as you see here. And there is one more thing I would like to show you. If you go here under the documentation and under the developer, under API documentation, you have here the Get Dashboard Analytics, which means you can reach all your analytics in your analytic dashboard, and you can have them in your BI tool that you're frequently using. So we have made one more video, especially on the analytics. You can check it on our YouTube channel. Now moving on, what we added under the orders is the calendar view. And this is really nice because here you can toggle between different date ranges. Okay, it can be like only 1 week, it can be 2 weeks. You can have the timeline view, and all the orders are basically set by the dispatch date where they need to be. You can also toggle the monthly view, and then let's say when you're in a day view, you see all the orders that are due that day. And if you're using this screen in the production, you have option to do the full screen mode, which means you can present this on a big TV screen in your production, and it's automatically refreshed every midnight. We think that is giving you a really good overview, especially to your production floor, what needs to be done by when. Okay, so there is one feature that I'm extremely excited about, and you should be as well, and it's called Phasio MCP. What it actually does at the moment is only read-only, but let me give you an example what it can do for you, basically. So let's say you can connect your Phasio account via API key to the cloud desktop, and then you can ask it different questions about your production. And let me give you an example. This is all live, so you can see how it works in real time. Okay, so you have a full breakdown of what's happening, also your material variables, and then you can go on and ask maybe which material is used most. So we have talked about analytics, right? But with Phasio MCP, you don't even need to go into Phasio to investigate what's happening with your either production, with your materials, with your pricing equations. You can also create like quotes where you overwrite the prices of the parts and then ask Claude to check it and then propose the changes to the equation so that you can actually just implement it by copying into the TypeScript equation. As you can see, that is very, very useful. Just be aware, as you're connecting Phasio MCP through like Claude, you are actually exposing your data. We are working in the background to bring all this inside Phasio, but at the moment, that's the way you can access it. If you want further information, just please reach out to me. I'm happy to connect with you and set it up with you. Okay, next thing I would like us to look at are the orders, but this time I would like to check as the order list. What's new here is, as you can see, that hasn't changed much, but there is a button called export. And with this export, you can actually toggle the range date, and then you have the options. And here you can decide which type of customers you want to export, which type of payments, maybe just a specific quote that you're looking for. You also maybe want to include archived orders, and then you can set the columns that you want to export. You can also reorder them, just like click on them and reorder. You can also delete, maybe you don't need the archived column, right? You can also pre-select stuff here. And then under the item details, you have per each order what's inside. So from the quantity, material, process, pricing type, and whatnot. And you can just download this Excel sheet and it says how many rows there is. It's very nice if you want to, let's say, have a bit of view what's happening and play with it about it in Excel. So please give it a try. At the same time, on the customer list, you also have the export button, and here you can also set how you want to export your customer list. Works very similar to the order export, so please give it a try. And one thing that is actually new, let's just say you got big clients that have like multiple users that are just logging in randomly, right? And each of them is creating their own account and it has their own company behind it. So what you can do now is, let's say, let's go into one customer, and you have the option to merge customers. And let's do that right now. So you can, select destination. In this case, I will use Rossi Corp. Now it will display, there are 8 messages and updates, there are 8 quotes, 4 orders, 4 conversations, and 1 contact. And everything will be moved to that company that's already existing. So this means you will not lose anything when you merge the customer together. The way you do it, you just need to basically confirm by putting this in here and click permanently merge. This is something that cannot be reversed, but it's really nice when you have to merge the customer data together while not losing the data. Okay, so we have done also some of the smaller updates. Let's say we go in here in this order. You have also the owners now, and you can display, let's say, the order owner or the quote owner on your documents, so meaning in templates. If you go, let's say, I cannot edit this, but let's go under the quote and the list. Let's maybe open this one. Let's edit it. You can enter here the references, and these references, they can be displayed on the documents as well. It's a really nice thing whether you have agreed with customer that you need to use their work order numbers or whatnot. That's the way how you can now use it and display it. And this is also like a searchable thing, so it's very easy to search for this. Let me give you an example. Let me just do this. Bam, you see, it's quote 215. That works like a charm. We have also improved our webhooks, so you have a much richer cart and order webhooks, meaning like full pricing detail, currency subtotals, per item pricing, plus a new one, cart updated event. I really hope you like what we are doing. We are also improving the stability of the platform, the upload speeds and whatnot. And we will keep pushing these updates out. But please, if you like our videos, subscribe, follow, comment, and let's connect. We would really like to get to know you. Take care and all the best.